You're the best. I'm so proud of you. Here's the recording. Last time we focused on a box technique in multiplication. Now we're going to work with the number 21. 21 times, let's try 21 times 14. Now the most important part of the box technique is to make sure you write down the correct number. So if we make a mistake, we can always go back and undo what we're doing. Multiplication means we add many times. We're going to break down 21 and 14 to see how many times we have to add, because multiply means we are going to add multiple times. We're going to make our box here, and our box is going to help us organize our numbers. Here we go. When I break 21 down, the numbers I get are 20 and 1. I unpack the number. Then I break 14 down, and I get 10 and 4. My job is to put the numbers here on the top row and on the side row. The top row and the side row. My first number of 21, I'll go ahead and put on the top layer, 20, and then 1. Now my next column is going to be 10 and 4. Go ahead and put your 10 there and 4. Now I'm going to put all the numbers inside the square. Put all the numbers inside the square. 20 times 10, 20 times 10, or I can say 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And don't forget your zeros. We have 1 0, 2 0. So put your zeros. And then say it to yourself. That might help. 10 times 20 is 200. 10 times 20 is 200. And make sure you're writing the correct number down. Now I'm going to move 10 times 1. 10 times 1. 10 times 1 is 10. And double check, because sometimes we write the wrong numbers. We can always readjust. Now my next space are the two bottom boxes. 20 times 4. 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then bring down the 0. Don't forget the 0. 20 times 4 is 8. Now my last box is 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Now my next step is to add everything. 210, 80, and 4. Now I'm going to add 200 plus 80 plus 10 plus 4. Now I want to double check. Make sure I wrote the correct numbers down. There's 200, there's 80, there's 10, there's 4. Check. Now that all my numbers are confirmed, I just combine them. 80 plus 10 is 90. Bring my 200 down. 80 plus 10 is 90. And then I bring my 4 down. 294. Now I have 294. Now to double check all your numbers, go back. Make sure you wrote all the numbers correctly. Go back to the beginning. A good mathematician always goes back, just like an architect. You look at the blueprints. 21 times 14. I broke 21 down and wrote 20 and 1. I broke 14 down and wrote 10 and 4. Now make sure you have 20 and 1 on the top column, 20 and 1. And then on the side column, 10 and 4. Now retrace your steps to double check. 10 times 20 is 200. Do you have 2 zeros? Yes, because there's 2 zeros there, 1 and 2. Now 10 times 1. 10 times 1 is 10. There's my 10. Now the bottom column, 20 times 4, 80, 8, 0, check. Now 4 times 1, there's 4. And then make sure you're writing the correct numbers down. 280, 10, and 4. 280, 10, and 4, check. 80 plus 10 is 90. 294, 294. Now when I'm comfortable, after I've double checked everything 3 times, 4 times, I know my answer is 294. Ta-da! Okay, let's see if there's any questions. I'm so happy. You are the best.